Hi everyone, it's Cajun DIY Diva and I have another hotel room tour. And let's start from the beginning. I am at the Hard Rock Hotel in Orlando. This is part of the Universal Orlando Resort. And it is one of the 3 premier hotels and one of the 3 first hotels ever built at Universal Orlando, and you get special perks by staying here, like you get free express pass, which if you don't know what that is, that gets you into the fast line on most of the rides. Let's just take a look in here. Here's the closet, there's an ironing board, safe, robes and extra linens, a Bible, and hairdryer. So here we have like a little bar station with the ice bucket, glasses. The wine glasses are a nice touch. A Keurig with a few little K-cups and coffee fixings, and I don't see any tea bags, but maybe one of those K-cups is a tea bag, not a tea bag, to make tea. It has a refrigerator that is not a mini bar, it's just empty. This, I should say, is a club level room. So you have a little vanity area right here. And then let's go in, oh cute. Let's go in and look at, the bathroom. So it has cute little vintage style sink in there, which is nice because you have 2 sinks, so 2 different people could be brushing their teeth. That's kind of nice. And regular bathtub and shower combo. Lots of towels. This room sleeps 4, and this is the products that they provide. Let's kind of groovy artwork on the wall. And here's more of the products they provide. And let's see what's in there. Oh yeah, just little cotton balls, Q-tips. Okay, so let's check out the main part of the room. This is kind of nice. It's a nice large size dresser, 4 big drawers. So lots of room for storage. This is kind of cute. A little bar with like little mini bar stools. Some record artwork on the walls. Some information there. Groovy little pillow. And I think that's a Bob Marley reference right there. As well as this Be Nice. Nice plush bed. It's very cushy. Seems very nice. So let's check out over here. I'm looking for switches. Yeah, here we go. Okay, so it looks like that may be a port right there. And you've got this kind of clock. Another drawer, some very skinny drawers right there on the nightstand that's in between the beds. And let's see, over here, there is also another little outlet and port. And here's another little lamp. So, is there anything else? Nice big full-length mirror, but it's in kind of a weird place where you can't see your feet. So I don't know if you need that. This artwork thing in the middle of the beds, that's also a mirror. So, and let's take a look at the view. So I have this is the club level. This is room 7132. And very nice view. You can see the Rip Ride Rocket over there, and the water slide down by the pool. This is like a lot of people, repeat customers who come to Universal Orlando. They really like this pool at the Hard Rock. You can see some of the streets of, that looks like San Francisco right over there. I see the top of the Ghirardelli Tower. And let's see, if we look over that way, we can see the Hulk, the top of the Hulk, and the Dr. Doom Fearfall. And there's cabanas out by the pool. Very popular beach club, pool, bar, restaurant. So that is your room tour of the Hard Rock Cafe club level room. And I am going to go over and get a few pictures or maybe a video at the club lounge for you to check that out. So this is CajunDIYDiva. Please like this video and subscribe to my channel. Thanks.